Hi guys, we are SRLM stars. S for Shrikant, R for Renuka, L for Lachana and M for Maurya stars. Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.
Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make an intro for beginners. So, let us start. I will be using the apps KineMaster and Ensure. So, let us start the process. First of all, go to YouTube and search any background you want. I am searching for glitchy stars. You can search any background. If you want to make your own background, I will upload a tutorial on that very soon. And now let us go and search for glitchy stars. Guys, I went into YouTube and I searched pink glitchy stars for YouTube intros. The video which I used and which I downloaded is in the link in the description box below. So if you want, you can use that same link for getting the same glitchy stars which I used. I couldn't find it first, but I found it in the end. This one was a little bit different and I didn't like it personally. This was the one. The link is in the description box. If you want, you can copy it. Click on the share button and copy the link. Now I'm going to show you how to do it for the green screen subscribe button. So go to YouTube and search YouTube subscribe button green screen. You choose the one which you like, and after that you let it play. I am checking if this is the one which I wanted. I am choosing the first one which came up in the video, and the other ones were not that good. And yeah, so I am now again going to click the share button and copy this link, the link for this video as well. Now guys, we got to search for the background music because we are also going to copy the link for that. And this should be non-copyright. If it is copyright, it will become a copyright strike or a copyright claim. I am searching for Dynamite BTS piano cover. If you want, you can search for any background music you want. So let us search it. So this is the video which I have used. Again, link in the description box. And this is how it sounds. I really liked it. So again, click share and copy the link. So guys, the link for all these videos will be in the description box below if you want to use them. And now I am going to search this website on my browser, which is yt1s.com. Again, yt1s.com. This is a YT MP3 converter. Now I am going to convert 3 of the videos, the first 2 into MP4 and the audio into MP3. As now I'm in my internet and I'm going to go to yt1s.com. Again, yt1s.com. Let's click the go button and it will load up to this website. Don't forget to bookmark this for future uses. And I am going to first convert the first 2 videos into MP4. So click this YouTube MP4 button and it will take you to this one, and click and paste the link for the video which you want to convert. This is the first video. This is the glitchy star, and this is the thumbnail of the video which was also in YouTube, and this is the title and the details and stuff. So click this download button and it will redirect you to some website, and then it will ask you if you want to download it. I'm going to name it Glitchy Stars. And I'm going to download it. And there will be a notification after the file downloads. Now I'm going to click convert next, so that I can convert the rest of the videos. So this is the second one. This is the green screen subscribe button one. So it will take you. As you can see, this was the thumbnail and this is the title and the duration stuff. Click the download button again and it will again redirect you to somewhere. It will take a while to load, and just make it green screen subscribe button. Then download it. So once the file will be downloading on the top. Now go to YouTube MP3 because now we are going to download the audio for this thing. So I'm clicking YouTube MP3. It is not loading for some reason. Click on YouTube MP3 again. I don't know what to do. I'll just go and reload this website again, guys. Okay, so now I'm going to click and paste the link for the Dynamite MV. So it will load. This is kind of long. And this is Dynamite piano cover, non-copyright. This was exact title. So just click download it. And it will redirect you somewhere again. So it will redirect you. Make sure your network is kind of strong while downloading it. Then it will download way quicker than usual. So yeah. Now after that it will convert. It's taking some time for me. I don't know why. Because I think this file is downloading. Okay, wait. So you click this download button and it will download for you. It is not downloading for me. And yeah, it is already downloaded, but it's not coming. So I will show you the file later. So guys, this did end up downloading. I had to do some reloading and stuff and it downloaded. And now I have downloaded all 3 of the stuff which I had to download. So let us go into the editing part. So guys, as I said in the beginning, I had used KineMaster, the free version, and InShot, the free version for editing. So let's start. So guys, open the app named InShot and click video. Click the new button and choose the background video which we downloaded because we need that. And it'll load up like this. Make sure your canvas is in YouTube ratio, which is 16:9. And now we are going to add a filter on top of it. I'm adding an effect because it looks very nice. So click on filter next to text and click on effect. There are many effects. Look, like this one, but only the ones which are in colored are for free. The other ones are for pro version of InShot. I use the Beats zoom option because I really like that. But there are a lot of effects. You can use them if you want to, like mosaic, motion, paint, and things like that. Even neon, I really like the look, but I didn't want it to like change. Noise option is also very nice, but it changed the color of the video, so I kept it as zoom. Then I clicked tick and then I pulled it to the end of the video. And now I have typed my channel name. This is just a random channel which I had. It's not a channel, it's just an account. So there is a lot of fonts in this app. Like, look, there are a lot of fonts from which you can choose, like low script and all. I have chosen Euphoria. Euphoria script was the one which I chose for this one because I really like that script. Euphoria script. I am watching an ad for this, but the ad didn't load somehow. And I just got the script for just clicking that thing. And there are a lot of scripts. As you can see, the script downloaded, the Euphoria script is there in my phone now. And now I have changed my font to Euphoria script. I'm going to color and setting a border. The text color is going to be white and the border color, I'm going to keep it a little light pink. Kind of dark only, but not too dark. Then I'm making the border a little bit thin because it's too thick for the text. And I'm adding a shadow. And if you want, you can add a label like this. I'm not doing that. And opacity, you can change it if you want your text to be lighter and not too much visible. Now I'm adding a little bit of animation. I didn't really like the overall transitions which were there, but because this is the free version, I think there are not many transitions. I didn't really like it. They were not that good. So I just put like the fade animation for all of these, like the zoom out animation and the zoom in animation for leaving the thing. Now as you can see, this is how long it is. I actually added the subscribe button in the first itself, but I'm showing the video how to do it after I add the text, because the text is a very important part, and I really like the fonts in InShot, but I don't really like the texts which are in KineMaster free version, so I'm not using that. And now I'm adding another text. Now I'm just going to put follow me on IG. IG means Instagram, and the link for our IG is in the description box below. And yeah, so I am changing the font for this one because I didn't really like the old font because it was a little weird. Now I made it better, and I'm going to put it on the top because in the bottom I'm going to put a screenshot. Now I'm going to save the video, put customize, and put the highest, which is 2160p, that is 4K HD. And before converting, don't forget to click the InShot logo and click free remove, so that it will remove the watermark. You will watch an ad and then the video will start converting. Once it has converted, it will come like that and it will be saved. Now let us go into KineMaster and create a new project. Keep it 16:9 ratio and go to your InShot folder in your files and find the background. Now you have to add a subscribe button. So click the layer option and click media and get the green screen subscribe button. Now click the tick button and you will get the subscribe button like that. So there is like this audio which I didn't really like. It did not suit the theme which I wanted to go for. So I'm just like trying to mute that audio, but I also want the like button and sound. So click the split button in that area where the audio stops and then play it again and pause it when the audio ends, and then click the split button again. Now mute the music, which was kind of annoying. It's like I don't like that music. Now let's just go to this option, click that, and there's an option named chroma key. I'm kind of struggling to show it to you guys because like this thing is coming, it is doing something. Yeah, look, this chroma key option, just click it and then enable it. Yeah, like that, do it for all the clips. Like this clip also we need to do the chroma key. Enable it so that the green color background will go. And sometimes the color will be changed, like it will show that the orange color is there, but make it green all the time. If you're using a blue screen, make it blue. So now this is how the subscribe button looks. And subscribe and the notification bell. So make the audio for the subscribe part very loud so that it can be heard by the people besides the background music too. Like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's like that, it's telling us to subscribe. And now we are done with this part, and I'm just going to export it now. But don't forget to add the music as well because that's kind of important. And I thought of adding text in the KineMaster itself, but the KineMaster texts are pretty bad, so I'm just going to export it. Make sure the quality is 4K and the frame rate is 30, and make sure the quality is high. The resolution should be 2160p and the frame rate should be on 30. If you want, you can make it 24 or 25, but not lower than that. So I'm going to pull it to 30. Everything should be on the top. Make it high and export. So once it's export, your intro is ready. And yeah, so guys, I actually forgot about the music, so I'm going to add the music now. So go to your audio option, which is next to the media option. Go to the audio button I'm trying to do something. Yeah, go to the audio and go to albums and go to the download, because there only the audio will be there. Now it's kind of like showing. I'm kind of showing where the audio is. I have downloaded a lot of music. I'm actually kind of searching for the video cover, Dynamite piano cover. Now I'm adding it. So like there's this thing in which it's starting. There's a silentness. So I'm just going to trim that out. And done. Now we have added some music to our intro. The like button, the subscribe button and the notification bell is there. And now I will teach you how to add the screenshot, which is there on the screen. And for that, click the layer button, click media and don't forget to take a screenshot of your Instagram or Facebook and crop it up, because I don't really want to show the details and all. So after that your screenshot is added. Now we are done and let us export. Again, all the quality should be on high. The resolution should be 2106p and the frame rate should be on 30. And once it's export, your intro is complete. Now get ready to publish it. I will post a video on how to do that, and let us see the final intro. So guys, I hope you like this video on how to make an intro for beginners. I will post an in-depth tutorial on how to edit in KineMaster Pro, or the free version if you would like to. And I will also post a video on how to upload a video, how to start your YouTube channel, and how to make your custom background for your intros, like I said in the first. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hi friends, thank you for watching this video. Here are more videos and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye.